Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hero to Superhero series on Python machine learning algorithms. Alright guys, so in this lesson we are going to take a look at a new kind of algorithm which is widely used in machine learning project, which is called polynomial regression. Polynomial regression is a regression algorithm that models the relationship between a dependent y and the independent variable called x as the nth degree polynomial. Nth means it's beyond any numerical value, just keep going, right? So that's a pretty straightforward and simple explanation, guys. Now let's take a look at the code and see what's happening with polynomial regression model. So I'm going to share my IDE. This is my Visual Studio IDE, and as usual we are importing pandas as PD and then the matplotlib, and scikit-learn is my popular linear. We are importing the linear regression from scikit-learn as well. So let's take a look. I put some explanation in the code. However, I am available for one-on-one for you guys. It's about 48 lines of code. So let's see. Now if we run this code, we need to see a kind of dynamic chart. Let me just execute. What's happening? There you go. Truth or bluff. It's a linear regression model which is giving the output of truth or bluff anyway. So that was a quick random input, hard-coded input which I had given here. So, guys, as I said, this is a kind of fast track course for you to understand all this algorithm at a high level using Python codes. So in case if you need a one-on-one assistance, do feel free. I'll be happy to set up a Zoom call with you, and either through WhatsApp or Zoom or even email or Skype or Telegram. There are multiple channels to communicate, guys, all over the world. People reach out to me from US, European countries, from South American region, from Asia Pacific region. So it's a different time zone, right? So I try to cooperate with them within their time zone and try to help them remotely on building machine learning, AI, deep learning, robotics and IoT projects on electronics and embedded devices and stuff like that. You can reach out to me anytime. I'll be glad to assist you. I will see you soon. Goodbye.